GE washer machine tub seal. It was leaking. Here is the old one. See, rusted, exploded, leaking. Leaks down the shaft, takes out this piece over here, bearing on it. This is the fix. Instead of buying a new tub, because it kind of expands a little bit, take Automotive RTV, squirt it all in a hole, then put your seal in, and then put some more around the edge and let it set up, and that should prevent any leakage between the seal and the plastic tub. And on this side over here, you definitely see where stuff was getting through in that corner over there, and it was just quite worn as well, like rusted internally. So that's the issue. Or you can buy a brand new washing machine. The same problem will exist again. Second time this happened to this. Problem is, you don't catch it early, it drips down the shaft, gets to that bearing, and the bearing is very rough and loud. Hardest part of the job is cracking that nut. But there we go. Quick video. If you're changing that seal, put RTV around it, else it's probably going to leak again. Now I have the drum back in. Definitely get a new nut, tub nut. The old one did not break, but where's the part number? There's a WH2X1193. Get that, because you're going to need it. And get one of these little things too, the split ring, because that just broke in half on me, which is interesting. Luckily I had a new one. Yeah, so seal, split ring, and tub nut if you're doing this job, and RTV. That's pretty much about it. And you need that mode assembly. It's about like 80-100 bucks, that piece, and the rest of the stuff's like 15 bucks. And then it should last a couple of years again. Hopefully this doesn't leak. Yeah, definitely do RTV around the seal though. Now I gotta tighten this nut and put this whole freaking thing back in here and clean this all up and test it. Excellent! Washer machine. Broke my thumb. Alright, video over. Show you when it's all back together, if it works. Bonus footage. So we changed that seal and bearing. Now when you spin it, it's quiet by hand. Here's some noises. I don't know what that's all about. Hopefully it's fine. But now we're gonna put this lid on and test it. Hopefully it works. Yes, the lid's kind of a pain. I didn't show how it comes off. It kind of tucks under here, and then you gotta jimmy it on, and there's 2 screws, and then your lid switch has to be connected. Mine's been replaced, so it's just like wire tied together somewhere over there. There's some other wires somewhere over here I gotta find. There we go, back here.